maybe cushion, like, right? In case you have this issue and you're not able to figure out what to do, at least you know what to tell service center when you give the bike. So just found another thing. So this is basically the zip tie. It is cut. So now, so yet another video, yet another issue on my bike. When you have multiple bike, issues are prone to be always available in one of the other bike. Now, my Duke 390 had HLU error long back. I fixed it. I uploaded a video too. If you want to refer that video, you can refer that video. I'll put the link comment section down below or somewhere here. But currently my bike is giving me HLU error when I move the handle. I'll show you the symptom. I'll turn on the bike, show you how exactly I'm getting the error. First, we'll have to understand what is HLU error. Please excuse the noise. First, we'll have to understand what is the HLU error, and then we need to get into the root cause of it to fix it. In simple term, we will explain the HLU error in this video. We will also fix the HLU error in this video. This is me, Anurag, and we're going to start the video in the channel House of Petrol Heads. Let's get started. Basically, HLU error may come in two situations. One, if your fuse is bad. So how do you see that? You'll have to understand that if you have an HLU error on your screen popping up and the bike is not starting, that means your fuse has gone bad. I'll mention the watts. It's either 10 or 15 watts. So you'll have to remove the fuse which holds the case is under the seat. So you'll have to open the seat, open the fuse and check one by one and replace it. That is that simple. 15 rupees, your issue will be resolved. If you give it to the service center, they're going to tell you that they have to analyze, run on ECU, understand, and may take a week's time. So it's up to you if you want to do it by yourself or you want to give it to the service center. Second issue when it happens is because when the wiring has an issue. Now, what is HLU? HLU is headlight unit, right? Headlight unit error. Now, when this HLU error comes in, it could be one that is fuse, which we already explained, and then another one is the wiring. What happens is the entire wiring that runs from ECU to the all the system, from battery and all of the system, you understand, right? Entire the wiring canal that goes to the headlight. Even if single wire is cut or has not properly grounding or not properly connected, you will keep getting this error on your monitor. And it is not suggested to ride, because sometimes what happens is if the wiring condition is too bad, the bike may shut off in between, and that will affect your entire bike ECU also. So it's always suggested to fix these issues. They are very tiny issues, easy to fix. Let me show you the issue. Straight handlebar ko straight kar. Okay, so the error now shows HLU failure. Okay, and if I move, or let's say if I fidget the cables, this disappears, right? So the headlight is not working. Sometimes it just works, you see. See, the headlight doesn't work. The HLU error went, but it's going to come back the moment I move. So there may be some wires that is loose that we fixed it last time, or maybe another one. So we're going to open the front headlight and fix it. I'm pretty sure that the fuses are fine. If the fuses have gone, the bike won't start. So that's a big clue you need to keep in mind when you think about when you get HLU error. So let us just open it and we'll do all the fixes. The thing you need to do is open this bolt, the one on the top. Now, don't get confused with this one. You need to open the top one. Okay. Once you open this, you have two bolts. The Phillips screwdriver would do from this side, same on the other side as well. Now you must be wondering why have I put this zip tied on. So this is a brake lining, right? And this is stuck to the headlight. What happened previously is when we were fixing it, somehow the how do you say that? The clamp that was holding the brake lining broke or went inside. We're not sure, because we'll get to know now when we open it. And my entire bike started going towards left or towards right. It just moves from one side, exactly how it was moving when I had that issue. So I zip tied it with the headlight clamps itself in the same spot, and the issue was resolved. So just wanted to tell you guys this in case you have any issue on your Duke that it moves on the left or either on the right, it's not going to be just the suspension. This part, this may be the issue too. So this is where the clamp comes, here and here. So you'll have to basically make sure that this line stays as it is. Now let's go and open the headlight. This is the wire, basically this one, which we taped it last time. Somewhere in this is connected, so when I'm moving it, you can see the variation in headlight. I mean, the headlight is not turning on anyways, but maybe because the bike is turned off. But if I touch the wire, see, it flickers. So that could be the issue. Let me open the complete wire and then I'll show you guys. Okay, look at this. So like I mentioned, the issue is different because last time we fixed it here. If you see, we fixed it here. अरबाज ये भी निकल रहा है हल्का सा. निकल रहा है. हाँ, नहीं टेप निकल गया. This is what we fixed it. Just now the tape came out. We're gonna tape it again, but this is intact. Alright, this wire is intact. Last time this wire was gone bad. Now we never touched this wire, but this has the tape on it. So maybe service center had worked on it before. We are not sure. But this wire has the issue. So if we move the wire, it just flickers. It just goes off. एक बार कर. See, observe this. When it touches that wire, it just flickers and maybe goes back and yeah, you see. Yeah, so this is the wire that has issue. We will open this complete wire now and refix it. All you have to do is make sure this wire, wherever it was connected, is connected properly. If not, it's not gonna work it. So we're gonna do that and then show you guys as well. So just found another thing. So this is basically the zip tie that was actually tied this particular wire in this gap. So it was technically supposed to be here, but somehow this broke and moved the wire. Now what we understood is this wire, we just checked, it is not this wire, but one of the wire from this bundle in here is the issue. So now we are opening that one, and once we open that, we'll be able to figure out the actual issue, the broken wire, and then we'll fix it. So we have figured out the issue. It's basically, like I said, the cables, they're supposed to be stuck here. The zip tie was broken and the entire cable had a moment, the movement from front and back, right? So this particular wire here, the brownish green color, the yellow and black, sorry, not brown, yellow and black, this one has a cut. Let me pull that around and show it to you. It's okay, you see, it is cut. So now I've turned down this light just in case to show you guys. If I move this wire a bit, see, this is completely cut. Now when I'm making it touch, when I'm touching it, it's getting, when I'm moving it, you see the light, you see it on the wall, the moment I'm touching it, yeah. So that is the issue. Like I mentioned, it's always tiny things. You just need to figure out what it is and fix it. Now I'm going to pull that wire, add an extra wire to it, just so that even if the handle has a movement, too much of it as well, it doesn't break. Right? In case you have this issue and you're not able to figure out what to do, at least you know what to tell service center when you give the bike. And now let's just start doing it. We'll have to fix this wire, nothing else. And then you see the chunk of wire. This is not exactly supposed to be, but it is. And this is majorly because we have one fog light both side and this both side also. So that wiring also is connected here. So So the particular wire that we are actually taping right now, behind me, Arbaz is doing it. Basically, that particular wire had more, it scrapped more with the handlebar turning over the time, and the cap that we put to cover the wires had a contact with this particular wire to the chassis, and that's how it broke in the middle. So now we got an extra wire. We're going to connect it, make it a little longer, and safely put it back. Put the put the headlight back. I don't know what's happening now. After that, if you see, all of the Duke has this problem. You see, and when you start, it vibrates very badly. Some of it, this also vibrates on my bike, but that is fine. But this one vibrates way too bad. So I'm gonna put some maybe cushion like double tape or something back. I wanted to change this tail light. I did not get the stock, so we will change the tail light maybe off the camera, because that's a very easy part. You remove and put it back. If you guys want a video on it, comment down below and I'll make a video about that as well. For now, let me fix the wire. Let me show how we fix it, and then I think that's it for the day. So we have fixed the wire, and now the error is gone. I'll show you. What we have done is, we have put a zip tie here. It's supposed to be here. So this bike is probably losing all its ties, which are maybe corroded and breaking up. I don't know, but that's the situation. And we have put one zip tie here to hold this particular chunk of wire, right? This chunk of wire. Now they'll have little moment, but they'll not come out of it, so that the scene of breaking it less. Now if I turn on the key, that is, see, it's turning on, and you will not find any error on the dash. Now even if I turn on the bike, whatsoever, you will not have any issue. And the light is on. Yeah, the light is on now. And even if I keep it for some time, the error is gone. Now while fixing the headlight back, these the one you see, these needs to get stuck here properly on both the holes. And once you do that, you have to make sure entire wiring goes inside. That is when you will be able to fix it. Otherwise it will be difficult for you to fix the headlight. So let me finish it and then show you guys. So we've fixed and it's done. Headlight is connected and we're moving the bike. Nothing is happening. Let me just turn on the key switch. So you see, एक बार move कर. ठीक है, एक बार ऑन करके और ट्राई कर ले. ये वाइब्रेशन का चेक कर तब तक. Okay, so we're just gonna test the bike. We may be gonna ride for today and test the bike too. If there's any issue comes up or the issue comes back again, I'm gonna update this video. But for now, I think this was it. So be sure, if you've come so far and watched this video, be sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow and make more videos such as this. If you like the video, please subscribe to the video, please subscribe to the channel. And that being said, this is me, Anurag, signing off from House of Petrol Heads. I'll see you in the next one. Take care, ride safe, have fun. Cheers.